At the beginning, I should say always some of my friends say something about the name of Chang'e. This is the name from ancient Chinese ancient story, a fairy flying to the moon. So we use this story to name our program. For the program, we said this is the first type for China to explore something outside of the Earth. So we want to get the technology and for the future space exploration. We also want to do something to contribute to the sustaining development of space technology. So you see, just for China, we launched satellite and main flight, and this is the third step for us to go for the deeper space exploration. We also want to develop some lunar science and applications that involving and developing for the future China space activities. We also want to improve our international cooperation in space area and also to contribute to science space in future development for human beings. But for the scientific objective of the first stage, especially for the second one, we have four goals in scientific area. The first one is to obtain 3-dimensional images of lunar surface. Second, to analyze some element and of the lunar surface and soil, and to investigate lunar soil. The fourth, to explore the environment for the moon and between moon and Earth. This is the time schedule for our development. We started our program at 2004 at the springtime. In this time, we just specify basic technical status and coordinate our intersystems. In this area, we successfully resolved our program in technical and scientific areas, etc. In 2005, this is the prototype for Chang'e 1 lunar mission. We solved the critical technology and coordinated system designs. In this time, we have our system very original type. In this time, I'm sure we can do our job to the moon. In 1996 and 2007, this flight module phase. In this time, we built our flight type satellite and all the other things, such as the launchers, launch sites, CNSA system, trajectory measure system, and also. And by the October of last year, we launched our satellite. This is the organization for our lunar program. The first one, we said we have a lunar exploration satellite and a launcher, TDNC system, ground application system, and also launcher side system. At the moment later, I will introduce our satellite, but now I will say something about our launcher. We use the Long March 3A. That's a typical launchers we used for the communication satellite launch. It's a very successful launcher. We used it for I think more than about 15 times. And we launched our satellite in Sichuan province, in the Xifan launch site center. And it's also a very typical launch site in China. This satellite is based on the Donghong 3 platform. This platform is used for the communication satellite. It's a 3-axis stabilized satellite. we transfer some another technologies to this platform and to build this satellite for the lunar mission. The orbital altitude is about 200 kilograms and just the polar orbit. The satellite mass is about 2,300 kilograms and the payload mass is about 130 kilograms. This is the flat type of our satellite. I think this side is to the moon. This side is to the moon. This direction is our flat direction. And this is the data transmission antenna. We use this antenna to transfer our data to us. And this is the microwave detector. We use it to deal with to detect the soil microwaves. And I think this is the laser altimeter. This alternative, I think some instrument. This is the star navigator, and this is our antenna for the CNSA and the control. This is the configuration for the Chang'e system. This is the antenna for the data receiving system. Is about this antenna have 40 diameter, 40 meters in diameter. We built this kind of antenna. One is in Kunming, Yunnan province. One is in Beijing. In Beijing, the antenna is 50 meters in diameter. We use both the antenna to receive data and also use this antenna in the BI system.